Don't you aware that our country today is going through a very, very difficult time? So what I'm begging you, as much as you love me or any other candidate, please wait. What I want you to do is when we come to rally, please put your phone on and listen to what we are promising. Take it. So that tomorrow when we start, I start telling you that when we go there, they do us juju, or they do us anything to stop that, and then make you come out from here. Let somebody, when they don't do juju, don't do the work. Please, I'm here. I'm begging you, you have been entertained. You've done everything. Now it's for you to take what I'm saying. So when you go back, Peter said he will do this. And we are holding him to it. No, don't believe me now. What I'm saying to you, the reason why I said this to you is that people are telling us all these things. And tomorrow we start having problems. What we want to do, I and Nati Ahmed is committed. Nigeria today, your country is today a country that is breeding poverty. It's a country that is breeding unemployment. It's a country that is breeding sickness. A country that is breeding out of school children. A country that where youth unemployment is the best in the world. That is what we are coming to change. Do not live in a very insecure country. I and Daddy have said our number one job is to secure and unite Nigeria. Our number one job is to secure and unite Nigeria. Our number two job is to make sure that we have a country where there's rule of law. We want to have a place where there's a great environment for people to invest, where we have law and order, where police will be a helper, not stopping people to say they want the missing road, but to show them road. We want to have a country where education is number one priority in terms of development. Number two priority, and health is number three. Anybody that enter university for 4 years will stay 4 years. No more student strike. We will try to solve that. We will invest in education. We will invest in health. If we invest in health and education, we develop the country. We will invest in pulling people out of poverty. That is why we say we want to move the country from consumption to your country is not producing anything. That is why you are unemployed. That is why you are not doing business. That's why your small businesses are not working. That is what we want to do. A country as big as Nigeria, with all the land, we are importing food. We can't feed ourselves. And we have land, empty land, that is uncultivated. We want to stop people for stealing public money. We want to stop people for stealing money. They steal our oil. That is what we want to stop. Only me and Dati that is committed to stopping all sorts of criminality. Dati is a private entrepreneur that have established businesses and educational institutions. You know my background, I'm a trader. I've created wealth as a person. I've created wealth corporately. So nobody will say, if you combine that is I'm 61 years. Everybody knows my age.